Thanks for stopping in and checking on Pappy Can Do It YouTube channel. I'm Pappy, and I can do it. I'm getting ready to run one of my trap lines. I've got, on this one farm, I have 5 dog-proof DPs, coon cuffs, whatever you want to call them, trap set for coons. I've been averaging about 1 a night. So I'm getting ready to go do that, but want to touch base with you on the whole season. I had a lot of anticipation for trapping this season, but as you can see, maybe, that my Jeep had quit running, and I am in the middle of the process of swapping engines. The oil pump seized on this one or quit running, and the engine seized, so that's really slowed me down on where I can get to and where I can't get to on trapping. My wife's not going to let me use her van, for obvious reasons. All the mud and blood and different things that comes along with trapping. So be with me today, and we'll go over to this little farm, and there's just 5 dog proofs. It won't take long to run and check them. So we may discuss some of my strategy along the way. I'm no expert by all means, just an old country boy having fun. So bear with me as we hit the line. So as I'm loading up here, I have a Ruger Airhawk Elite 2. This is just an air rifle. A pellet gun is what we always called them growing up. But this is my weapon of choice for dispatching raccoons, foxes, anything like that. Due to my Jeep being broke, I still got my 4-wheeler that I use, but had to stay local, so that's the reason we're just going to run this one line today that has the 5 DPs. 1, 2, 3, 4. There may only be 4 on it right now. Well, I think there's 5. I don't know. There's 4 or 5 set on it. So here's my dry cat food, and then my resetting tool for the DPs are in there. That goes with me. And then you probably can't see this, I don't know, but my air rifle is .177 caliber. So that's the ammunition I use. So these have drawn moisture, so they're a little bit chalky, but they're still doing the job. Okay, let's hit the trail. This farm I'm on is only about mile and a half away. So I want to take you along. Stay tuned. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we're in southern Indiana. This is January 25th, 2020, and it's about 35. It's been snow or something right now. I can feel it in my face. But we've had a very extremely mild winter. We had 3 or 4 days a couple weeks ago that was pretty chilly. But we've had no measurable snow. We've had hardly any day that was too cold. And then I looked at the weather this morning, the extended weather. Just a few days it's supposed to be up in the mid-50s. So That's incredible. So anyway, like I said, since my Jeep broke down, I lost my transportation on some of my farms. But I have 2 lines set up. I got this little Raccoon line set, and then I have a river line set. So I may do a video on the river line as well. It got flooded out here a couple weeks ago, but it's all been reset for the most part. What I've been doing on it is mink and muskrat and some raccoons. I don't have any dirt holes or blind sets set right now for coyotes or foxes or anything, because those are I live in a little town and I don't want anything close to town to catch people's pets. So I have to have my Jeep to be able to get out in the country, to be able to be confident. I won't touch the neighbors' dogs or cats. If you can see that woods, way, I don't think I'm gonna fool her. This woods right here, right back here along this edge of the woods, I've got a couple traps set, and I got a couple across the front right here and one down here in the corner. But this here little section here, I've not tried it, but stay tuned. Okay, we're getting close. There's that little woods that I said I've not tried. It's gonna go down at the end of it. Now the landowner didn't want me to do any coyote trapping here, which really is too close to houses, I think. Anyway, he said most of the coyotes in this area has been harvested, and he wanted to keep enough around to kind of control the population of some of the other rodents and things, and I respect that. I think that's a good idea. But anyway, yesterday I caught a little possum, probably the smallest possum when I released it. I don't keep any of the grinners this year. Now if it's a nuisance situation, and then I would take care of it, but just out here in the woods, well, my tripod hit the horn. If I need that horn, I couldn't find it if I tried. But this is fun. It gives me something to do. I'm not in this for the money. I don't put up huge numbers. This is just something I kind of fiddle around with. Anybody can do this. It don't cost an arm and a leg to get started. There's different methods and techniques and different things. I've just been blessed to be able to have a few things like the 4-wheeler, the air rifle, different things. But okay, we're coming up here with the first 2 sets. Now I mark all my sets with the pink ribbon. I don't know if you can see the pink ribbons yet. Right. Right in here should be a couple pink ribbons. 1 pink ribbon. And I got 2 traps there. If you watch Coon Creek Outdoors, he highly suggests setting your traps in pairs, because a lot of times these critters will come in pairs. Now these two's well, I say it's a no count. Now let me show you here. So here's one, and nothing's there, but something has been around, picked up some of the bait that I had on the ground. And then this trap over here has been pulled up out of the ground, and it's been thrown. So this is a missed catch here, and I don't know what it would have been. Sometimes an animal can come around the back side and trip it accidentally. But I'm gonna get these remade and stay tuned. Now when you put those dog proofs in the ground, when you put these in the ground, you want to put it in a firm ground if you can. That helps a lot of missed catches. Because if this is a little flopsy wopsy, it'll fall out and then the food comes out and you miss the catch. But the ground's not frozen, it's extremely wet and soft. It's really hard because on these dog proofs, it only gives you about a 4-inch shank. So you're just in the top of the ground. And this field had beans in it last year. It's just really soft. It's really soft. So, but anyway, I just take a little bit of dog food, get a little bit of outside, and just put a little bit inside. That's all you had, or cat food rather. Cheapest cat food. I found that the cheaper the cat food is, the more odor that it has, the better it smells. For the critters at least. Very simple remake. That's all you got to do. Okay. Got 2 more set. We'll check on them real quick. I don't know if it's just the old age or what, but I really find by putting those pink ribbons on the tree really does benefit me. I can already see my next trap down there. And when you're running towards this farm, I only have a few dog proofs out right now. But on all my trap lines, I had about 35 or so set, and you just can't remember where they're all at. Okay, I actually moved that trap yesterday. I forgot all about that. I moved that one. So, let me see. Let's go back. I missed one, I think. Oh, that's the first one. Okay. We're just about half crazy. Alright, I got one down here at the very end. Let's go check on him. What I was saying a while ago was it seems like one night the possums will run, and then the next night will be a good night for a coon run. So I don't know what the difference is. If one likes a moon and one likes the dark, I don't know. It seems like you're either catching coons or you're catching possums. This is a new set down here. I just moved that trap yesterday. And I don't see anything. I don't know if you can see right in there is my trap. See it right to the tip of my finger. There's nothing there. Okay. Well, this is a dry run today. So, thanks for coming along with me. I'll be sure and bring you along on the next one. Maybe we'll catch something next time. Thank you. Please like and share my page. Subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that. It costs you nothing to do, and it sure benefits me. Thank you very much. Have a great day.